Rutabagas likely originated as a cross between turnips and a wild cabbage, and are thought to have been first bred in Russia or Scandinavia in the late Middle Ages. The first known printed reference to the rutabagas comes from a Swiss botanist in 1620, where he notes that it was growing wild in Sweden. Rutabagas are biennial plants that feature smooth leaves and an enlarged root that bears a distinct neck with well-marked leaf scars. The root flesh is firm and stores well during winter. White flesh varieties have a rough green skin and are of irregular form, while yellow flesh varieties are more regularly shaped and have a smooth skin of a green, purple, or bronze color. Rutabagas require longer growing season, but need to mature in cool weather, so you should plant them from late May to early June for a fall crop. Rutabagas prefer full sun. Grow them in the ground or in raised beds with deep, loose soil without any rocks or soil clumps. While rutabagas will tolerate ordinary soil, the roots will grow bigger in fertile soil that's been enriched with a layer of compost or organic matter. Good companion plants for rutabagas are carrots, beans, peas, beets, onions, turnips, and chives. You should avoid planting rutabagas with Brussels sprouts, cabbage, mustard greens, broccoli, and cauliflower. The Swedish-born root is high in iron, which is not typical of most vegetables. They have around 25% of the recommended daily amount of vitamin C and are a good source of vitamin A. Rutabagas are low in fat and cholesterol-free, and they contain a moderate amount of dietary fiber.